How to optimize blog posts for SEO in Squarespace. So in order to optimize your blog post, what you can do is you can just make some keyword research. So I have in here my blog. So we have 3 paragraphs and we have the keywords right here. So what you can do is you can input right here a keyword. Let's click on edit right here. And then for example, let's put in here the keywords and then put what those keywords are. So for example, let's put in here work, confidence, and anything that you think is the best keyword that is actually higher ranking. Now you can also craft an engaging title in order to make this work. So we have the title, which is blog number 1. So for example, let's name this something like Be Who You Are. And then in here, you can also optimize the URL slug. So as you can see, the URL slug for this one is this very long URL. So you need to optimize that by just editing out the content that you have for this section. Don't forget to save this right here once you're done. So that's how you optimize blog posts for SEO in Squarespace. Hope we helped.